It's the next morning. It's 4:20. The driver is meeting us down at 4:30. We're gonna go get some water, maybe some Gatorade. I would be lying if we said that we didn't feel it. The altitude about 5% right now, maybe 10. But I think the coca leaves will kind of help us. We both took 2 Tylenols already. I can feel it in my throat.
That's what she said.
But I think we'll be okay. I think tomorrow will be even better. I think maybe even being in Mexico City for a night helped out because we were at 7,000 feet there. Now we're at like 11,000 feet. We're about to go up to about 17,000 feet. It's 46 degrees right now, so it's only gonna get colder. Let's go. Yes. We were just in Cusco, and we drove about an hour and a half. Now we're at right here, Cusipata. We're at the restaurant El Ocaso.
Yeah.
And then we have 1 more hour to drive.
Until Puluwasipata. From Puluwasipata is 1 hour 40 minutes hiking until Remo Mountain. So we're gonna spend on Remo Mountain around 30 minutes or 40 minutes, guys.
Awesome.
Okay, taking photo, taking rest. Then we're gonna go back for the same way until bus station. Then 1 hour until Locaso restaurant. After lunch, almost 2 hour driving to Cusco. So we're gonna be late 3 p.m. early 2:30 p.m.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
So that means lunch. That means a nap.
Of course.
That means rest. We're ready. We'll show y'all what the food is like. Yeah, we're excited. With this tour, breakfast and lunch was included. We have Jose and Alex driving us out there, being our guides. So we'll let you know how the rest goes.
Milk, quinoa, you have this here. Fruits. You have to try this bread. This is local bread. Delicious. You have chaufa and pancakes here, guys. You have here more. You have juice, yogurt, and some cereals, guys. Okay? So enjoy your breakfast.
Awesome. Thank you. Alright, guys. So this is the spread. We got rice, pancakes, delicious bread, fruit plate, more rice, jugo, and then 2 coca teas. Yes. Hope they don't drug test me.
Oh my goodness.
Just as I expected. The tour groups are here. Next stop, Rainbow Mountain.
I'm gonna put in your hands. You have to do that 2 times. You have to smell 2 times. Now.
Strong.
You won't have headache or altitude sickness. You're gonna be strong. Okay? Good, my friend.
One more.
One more, please.
That's that loud.
I'm pretty sure I just did drugs. It's hard. We just started. My heart's beating so fast and I'm short of breath.
But look at that view.
Yeah.
You can go here. Now we're getting the
Sure.
coca leaves.
This is for you, my friend.
Gracias. And then you just put this in your gums, like some tobacco.
Spitting on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
We chew it 20 to 30 times, then we get a big fat dip. The wave has started. Second dose.
Vamos. Continuamos.
It makes the colors look more vibrant. Yeah. On the second part, it's coming and getting up, breathing a little bit harder. Treadmill incline at 10 did not prepare us for this. Stairmaster did not prepare us. And go get horse right here. 20 solas so we can make it up to the top quicker and we can put the drone up. Alright, last part. Clouds are here, but they've been coming in and out. It's gonna be the steepest, but we're gonna make it. Once we get to the top, we're gonna put the drone up.
Okay, we made it to the top. Luckily, thanks for our tour guide, Jose. If not, I wasn't gonna come up because it was definitely a challenge. But the view is beautiful. You can see the snow cap over here. And then on this side is Rainbow Mountain where there used to be the snow cap. Definitely worth it. Now, we have to hike back down. And hopefully it's not as hard as it was coming up.
Amigo, necesito dos.
Okay.
Perfecto.
Perfect.
And then uno más. Yeah.
You can put it right here, right here.
Yes, yes.
Perfecto. Gracias.
Bien.
We didn't know, but our guide, Jose, he let us know that we can stamp our passport for 2 solas, and then tomorrow we'll get Machu Picchu as well.
Okay, y'all, tell me what you think. I had my watch going. We've been hiking for about 3 hours and 30 minutes. Round trip. That was a doozy. Do this while you're young, don't wait. But look at this damn view. I mean, that's just crazy. All these damn tour buses and vans are here. That we got here. None of these were here. None of these are here. And here's our taxi.
May, June, July, August, September, full. Don't have space for parking cars.
Wow.
Yeah.
A lot.
Give me 5, my friend.
Yeah.
Good.
Right.
Congratulations, Sean.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations.